Hello, I'm Tanya. This video is for BCS room parents. I'm going to do a brief tutorial setting up a Google group for room parent email communications. The first step is to go to groups.google.com. You should be logged in as your own Google user. The next step will be to create a new group. In this page, you need to decide on the name of your group. And I'm going to type in BCS-RP for room parent, the name of our teacher, which is Miss Young, and the year. It will automatically fill in the group email address, which will be at googlegroups.com. I'm going to type in a brief description. The next thing that you'll want to ensure is that the group type is set for email list. For basic permissions, you want to go to View Topics. The default is that anyone can view topics. We want it set so that only members of the group can view the topics. Under Post, Charles recommends that this group be only for broadcast announcements. He recommends that only managers of the group be able to post messages. This will keep email traffic down. Under Join the Group, you're going to select only invited users can join the group. That will help keep things private. After you've filled in these selections, you're going to hit the button to create the group. You're going to have to verify with CAPTCHA. You can actually recycle one until you can find one that you can read easily. I've noticed that you don't get any particular feedback when this works. So I would then recommend going back to My Groups and see if it's created. Yes, and here it is. You have an option when you join a group to decide if you want to link it to your Google profile. You can keep your original settings, or you can click this box, and if you have a Google profile, then it will be linked. So I'm going to activate my Google profile and save changes here. Go to Manage. We're going to make sure that the settings are proper before we invite other members. Under Settings, Email Options, you can add a prefix which will go into the subject line. This will help some people sort their email into folders by searching on the search string. Under the email footer, you can add custom footer text. I recommend that you place links in the footer to your email address as moderator, the MyBCS web page, and the URL of the teacher's web page, so parents know where to go. New member settings should have been set in the previous page, so only invited users can be asked to join. I would unclick the new members can post. Under permissions, we want to set if you allow posting by email and posting by the web. That gives you two different options for setting up for sending content to the list. Currently we have no topics in the group, so I'm going to go ahead and add a welcome message. The next thing that you'll want to do is add an email address. I'm going to start by direct adding members. So I'm going to type in an email address. All right, email subscription options. The default should be all email, and then we'll give people ways that they can set their email subscription options. The final step is for you to submit an email posting to your new Google group. This can be done two ways. The first, through the web interface. Go into the main page for your group, click on New Topic, and type in an email. When your email is composed, simply click Post to send emails to everyone on your list. You will also see that the new email is listed in the web interface archive. Another way to send emails to your users is by using your regular email client and sending an email to your Google group. If you forgot the email address of your group, you can find it under Settings, which is the gear over here in the right corner, under Group Settings, and Group Email Address. You'll see the name of your group at googlegroups.com. In addition, you can find the URL for the web interface for your new Google groups. So you can post an email by logging on to the web interface. Second way to post a message would be to send an email to the group under group settings. Here we go. bcsrpyoung@googlegroups.com. That should work as well. All right, thanks for listening and good luck with your groups.